Here comes Shiloh. Wow, good job. Look, there's water. Let's go play in the water. Oh my goodness. It is extremely hot out today. It must be like 110. Go play! Go. Try out the water. Run through it. Come on, you got this. Let's see it. Whoa! Whoa!
Mom, people, let's go back home and get some ice cream.
Ooh, that sounds like a plan. All right, let's go back home, guys. Oh my gosh. We just came back from the park. It is super hot outside. What should we do?
We can make little pops.
That sounds like a good idea. Let's make some popsicles.
We're going to use dinosaurs.
Whoa! Wait, so those are dino eggs, right? Okay, and what's those red molds next to you? Like rocket chips. What about you, Rain? Which molds do you have?
Strawberries.
Ooh, those are your favorite, right? Strawberries?
Yummy. You order.
All three, okay.
Mom.
So that one looks like a falafel?
It's an offering.
Oh, okay. And that's a T-Rex.
Brachiosaurus.
Brontosaurus. And last one, a Triceratops. Who's that, Rain? Is that your little friend today? Hi, Coco. Welcome.
Let me help you.
Do you want to help us?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. You can help Rain if you want. Popsicles, we're going to be using
Mango.
mango.
The kiwi. Kiwi's happy. Woo! Oh!
Whoa, Ethan! You guys did such a good job. Ethan's already tasting the mango. How's the mango?
100%.
100%. And that's kiwi. How does that one taste? Let's see. So we got kiwi, purple grapes. Ooh, those are my favorite. Cucumbers. These are Rain's favorite. Strawberries. And we're going to be trying some mangoes today.
To be honest, I'm going to put mango.
Okay, so Ethan's going to be doing some mango.
Good.
Ooh, and strawberries. You have to put strawberries in them.
Oh, this one.
You like kiwi too?
Yeah, this is 100% good, right? What do you like this? Woo! Only two. Bam. Here, I'm done some big ones. Yeah. Young ones. Okay, I'm already eating them.
And one more.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do, Rain? Kiwi?
Yeah.
You saw your kiwi pieces. Yum.
You need to put that good water.
Some grapes. Okay, I think we're good now. Next, add a little bit of water. Now, let's add just a little bit of honey. Some bumblebee honey. Okay. Now, let's blend it up. Do you want to add some mango?
Oh, you better not take my juice.
And a little bit of water. And what's next?
Honey. Yeah.
Ethan! Oh no. I have two bear cubs in here, you guys. They're eating the honey. Oh gosh. Ooh, that, you already know that one's probably gonna be the best one. Oh no! Okay, and final step. Strawberries, there you go. Are probably in the way. Just push it down good. Woo! We're just gonna use the leftover strawberry for one of the dino eggs.
Honey is my favorite too.
I want nice bear honey.
Hey guys, click the subscribe button if you like ice cream and popsicles.
I'm gonna put it in. Come on, baby. That's their baby. It might juicy. My shirt? Oh my god, that one might juicy.
For this one, let's do something different. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna be doing the rocket ship. And we're gonna be adding some Jello. Add some Jello pieces.
Daddy, I'm really eating something.
Okay, so for this one, we're gonna try something different. We're gonna be doing blueberry Jello flavor. Okay, slowly so it doesn't spill. Oh! And last one, Ethan. So which one do you think is gonna come out the best, friend? Strawberries. Which one do you think is gonna turn out the best?
I think the mango is.
The dino ones? Okay. So, ta-da! Here they are.
Wow.
The dinosaur ones, they kind of moved. Oh.
Wow!
Yummy.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. These are the ones that Rain made.
Why does it look like the same?
Shiloh, come get a popsicle. Here, Shiloh, look at this one. This is the grape one with kiwi.
Yummy.
You guys like that?
Wow!
What's that? A grape, right?
Look at grape inside.
Ooh, healthy popsicles.
Just eat this one.
Mm.
Bye bye. Bye.